Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So guys, if you're facing this problem in your iPhone while using your App Store or iTunes, here I will show you how can you easily fix this. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions to fix this problem for you. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and from here open your settings in your device. And from here tap on your Apple ID, and from here tap on sign in and security, and tap on change password. Give here your iPhone passcode. So guys, from here you will have to simply change your password for your Apple ID to fix this problem. So guys, simply change the password and go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to sign out your Apple ID in your iPhone for one time, and then you will have to restart your iPhone, and then you will have to sign in again to your Apple ID to fix this problem. So for that, open your Apple ID, and from here scroll it below, and from here sign out your Apple ID, and then restart the device and sign in again your Apple ID and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you're still facing this problem, there is a final solution, that is you will have to open your settings again, and from here you will have to tap on your Apple ID again, and from here scroll it below and tap on media and purchases, tap on view account, wait for some seconds, and from here you will have to tap on country or region, wait for some seconds again, and again tap on change country or region, select your country according to your country or region, wait for some seconds again and tap on agree, and again tap on agree. So guys, from here you will have to enter all the details regarding your debit or credit card correctly. So guys, give all the details here correctly, and make sure the city name and postcode for your city name is given correctly. So guys, after this, save these informations correctly, and after this go back and check whether the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, if you're still facing this problem, then you will have to open up your browser and search here for support.apple.com. Here it is, and from here select your device, and from here scroll it below all the way, and from here tap on get support and tap on start now. So guys, from here you can get any support from the Apple authorities regarding your problem, and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.